Hey everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to mute audio by default on the Twitch application. Let's get started. First, open the Twitch app on your Android phone. Once the app opens, log into your account using your email and password if you haven't already. After you're logged in, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now look at the top left corner where you'll see the settings icon. It looks like a gear. Tap on settings icon. Once you're inside the settings, scroll down until you see the Preferences option. Go ahead and tap on Preferences. Now, inside Preferences, you'll find an option that says Mute Feed by Default. This is exactly what we're looking for. Simply toggle this option on. Once you enable it, all videos in your feed will be muted automatically. You can always unmute individual videos by tapping the Unmute button or using your device volume controls. And that's it. You have successfully muted audio by default on Twitch. No more unexpected autoplay sounds when scrolling through your feed. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to subscribe to App8 for more Twitch tips and Android app tutorials. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.